Hello, my name is Ruth, and I would like to help you learn new words in English. Join me next for Hello Word Power on Hello Channel. This is Hello Channel. Hello, welcome to Word Power. My name is Ruth. Today we're learning words in English that begin with the letter C. Capital C, small c. The letter C is the third letter of the English alphabet. C is a consonant. The letter C makes two sounds. It makes a soft C like this, s, or a hard C like this, k, k. You try it. Soft C, s. Hard C, k. Correct. Are you ready to learn? Let's begin. Chicken. 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 You say it. Chicken. Again, chicken. One more time. Chicken. That's correct. Chicken means a common type of fowl that is raised for both its meat and for eggs. My brother's favorite food is roast chicken. Say it one more time. Chicken. That's right. Chief. 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 Your turn. You say it. Chief. Yes, again. Chief. One more time. Chief. Well done. Chief means the leader or the head of a group. The man in the blue uniform is the chief of the police department. Say it one more time. Chief. Yes, well done. Child. 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 You try it. Child. Again, child. Once more, child. That's correct. Child means a young girl or boy. The small child is turning 4 years old tomorrow. The mother and father were so happy to have a child. Say it again, child. That's right, well done. Chocolate. 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 Now you say it, chocolate. Yes, again, chocolate. Once more, chocolate. Well done. Chocolate is a food, especially a sweet candy, made from beans that grow on the tropical cacao tree. A chocolate bar tastes very sweet and delicious. My daughter likes to drink hot chocolate. Say it one more time. Chocolate. Well done. Choose. 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 Now you say it. Choose. Again, choose. One more time. Choose. Yes, that's right. Choose means to select or pick out one person or one thing from several. You must choose what you would like to eat from the menu. What will you choose to study in school? Say it again. Choose. Correct. Chop. 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 Now you say it. Chop. Again. Chop. One more time. Chop. Yes, that's right. Chop means to cut something with a knife or an axe. You must chop wood for the fire. It is important to chop the onion into small pieces for the soup. Say it again. Chop. Yes, that's right. Chop. Church. 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 Now you try it. Church. Yes, again. church. One more time. Church. Yes, correct. Church means a building used for worship. They held their religious service at the downtown church. Say it one more time. Church. That's right. Circle. 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 You try it. Circle. Again, circle. One more time. Circle. Yes, that's correct. Well done. Circle means a flat, perfectly round shape. A ring is the shape of a circle. The children will draw circles on their paper. Say it again. Circle. Circus. 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 Now you say it. Circus. Once more. Circus. Yes, that's correct. A circus is a traveling show in which clowns, animals, and acrobats all perform. Going to the circus is very exciting. Say it again. Circus. Well done. We'll be right back after a short break with more Hello Word Power.
Learning English may be the biggest factor in the jobs you can get and the money you can earn. Hi, I'm Michelle, and I want to tell you about Hello Channel, an exciting new channel that teaches you English as you're watching TV. As you watch Hello Channel, you'll see, read, hear, and speak English, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to a better job and a brighter future. All you have to do is say hello.
Welcome back to Hello Word Power. Are you ready to learn more words in English? Let's begin. Clap. 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 You try it. Clap. Again. Clap. One more time. Clap. Yes, that's correct. Well done. To clap means to strike your hands together to show you like or approve of something. The audience will clap at the end if they enjoy the performance. Say it again. Clap. That's correct. Closet. Claw-zet. Closet. You try it. Closet. One more time. Closet. Yes, correct. Well done. A closet is a small room used for storing clothes, dishes, or other items. We keep our coats and shoes in the closet by the front door. Say it again. Closet. Correct. Well done. Coach. 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 You say it. Coach. Again. Coach. Yes, one more time. Coach. That's right, coach. Coach has two meanings. If you coach someone, that means you teach him or her how to do something. The opera singer uses a singing coach to help develop her voice. A coach is also a person who leads, teaches, and trains people in sports, acting, singing, or other pursuits. The coach of the football team stands on the sideline cheering for his players. Say it again. Coach. That's correct. Coach. Concentrate. Con-sen-trate. Concentrate. You try it. Concentrate. Try it again. Concentrate. Once more. Concentrate. Yes, that's right. Concentrate. When you concentrate, you think hard about something. Anne needs to concentrate before answering the questions on her mathematics test. Concentrate. Say it one more time. Concentrate. Yes, that's correct. Cone. 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 You try it. Cone. Again, cone. Yes, that's right, cone. A cone is an object that is round at the base and has a point on top. Saul is eating an ice cream cone with chocolate ice cream. The construction workers use bright orange cones to direct traffic away from where the road is being fixed. Say it again, cone. Yes, that's right. Confuse. 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 You try it. Confuse. Again, confuse. That's right. Confuse means to mix things up, to become perplexed or bewildered. Andy did not want to confuse the right answer with the wrong answer. Having too many choices can confuse a small child. Say it again, confuse. That's right. Control. 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 You try it. Control. Again, control. One more time. Control. That's right. Well done. Control has two meanings. To control someone or control something means you have the power to make them do what you want. Jerry is the owner of the company and has control over the people who work for him. The controls of a machine are the buttons, levers, and switches that make the machine work. The controls of the airplane are very confusing and difficult to use unless you have learned how to use them correctly. Say it one more time. Control. Yes, that's right. Connect. 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 You try it. Connect. Again, connect. Once more. Connect. Yes, that's correct. Good job. Connect means to join or to bring together. The telephone operator can connect you with any other person in the world. The buildings connect to each other by underground passageways. Connect can also mean a link to a water supply or a link to a power supply. Your cable television must connect with the main network. The small streams connect with the large river before it flows into the ocean. Say it again. Connect. Yes, that's correct. Well done. Well done. You did very well today. Now, practice some of the new words you learned on Hello Word Power. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.